Hi, greetings everyone. This is Shubham Pawar, welcoming you all to our today's video. Today we will be continuing with the pillars for everlasting human relationships. Quickly revising, those were which promise keeping, aggressive listening, being consistently compassionate, and finally the most important, truth telling. Going ahead with the third pillar, everyone will agree with me on this that every human being deep inside has a craving for being appreciated. It doesn't matter who you are, a housewife, a young schoolgirl, teenage guy, a toughest factory worker, middle-aged person, or an old bee. Every single person on this planet has a burning desire to be treated and respected well. Yes. And the best leaders know this. And they fulfill that need by being consistently compassionate, that is, by showing concern. Never let your humanity down at work. Make it shine and wear it like a crown. It's about showing people courtesy, consideration, and respect every single day of the week. And courtesy is incredibly important in business as well as in personal life. Treat people as if they were what they ought to be and help them become what they are being capable of. And then witness the wonderful change in your people. Now, definitely, one question must be popped up in your head that how could I be considerate, respectful, and listener all the time? Won't my people think that I'm soft and weak? Well, many people have these thoughts and live in the false belief that leaders or heads are supposed to be tough, are supposed to be arrogant and maintain their who's the boss attitude to get the work done and make perform or perish the slogan of a year and be a dictator all over the time. But by doing this, there are only two outcomes. One is your people would be afraid of you and won't do anything better. Another is they would rebel. Either way, one would be easily surpassed by the competitors. Only a few realize that visionary leaders blend humanity with courage. Yes, it doesn't mean that visionary leaders are weak or so. Instead, they are the strongest one because it takes courage to maintain fidelity to one's vision and constantly keep doing right. They do understand that they have to be tough when circumstances are calling for it, but they never neglect the people's interest. They don't mind showing they are human. One must always remember that you can never email a handshake, a tight hug, a smile, or even a simple welcoming gesture. After keeping your promises, listening aggressively, and being compassionate, and the thing which remains is truth telling, no matter how hard it is. One must know that long-term success depends upon their information sharing and truth telling in all circumstances. By doing so, one would believe more in you as he or she would be knowing the context from where you are acting. By this, one would have a greater confidence in you and you could easily deal with all the little issues and conflicts that arise every single day. Yes. Here's an example. One well-known company suffered from major problems and morale when a key executive who was let go. Rumors that the former executive division was in trouble began to run, and other employees began to feel that they would lose their jobs. Fortunately, the company's president was a visionary leader, and because he understood the importance of openness and honesty, he immediately called a meeting to explain exactly what had happened. The executive had been hired on a short term basis to improve the productivity and effectiveness of the department. And since the executive fulfilled the purpose and the division was performing well again, the president decided that there was simply no reason to renew his contract. Also, the executive knew that this was a short term post and he left on a good terms. Hence, by being candid with his people as well as with the executive and keeping them in a loop, the president turned the negative into positive. Now, I hope everyone must have got connected back to the known significant pillars and recalled the benefits of working on them. With this, I would like to summarize the session by saying when you enrich the relationship, you enhance the leadership. Yes. Thank you so much. See you in the next video. Until then, stay safe and take care.